In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I quickly and easily format my AI stickers. Now you can do this with ChatGPT stickers, Midjourney, or wherever you create them because the process is going to be the same. So what we're going to do is download this image. Then we're going to go over to Kittl. Now there's loads of different ways that you can format your stickers. This is just the way that I'm currently doing mine because I have a Kittl Pro account. Now from here, we simply take that sticker and upload it here in Kittl. Now once that's uploaded, we can simply put it on the page like that, and from here we can use the background remover. So all we're going to do is click on the image and click here, AI background remover. Then we're going to give that a few seconds, and as you can see, it's done a really good job. Now sometimes it doesn't quite work quite right, depending on the image, depending on the sticker outline. So what I also use sometimes is Photopea. So this is actually completely free to use. All we do is take our sticker, drag that onto the page, make sure you've clicked onto the sticker, come up to select, come down to magic cut, and this is just going to take that away. Now we use the green and put that on parts of the image that we want to keep, and we can use the red to click on parts of the image that we don't want. Then once you've got it like this, you simply click OK, come to File, Export and PNG, and then that way you now have that sticker outline completely disappeared. Now here within Kittl, I like to name this as well. So this would be Sloth Reading a Book. What we can also do is actually vectorize this image as well. This is actually a Kittl Pro feature, but we can vectorize this and turn this into a vector. But because I use big JPEG and upscale my images as well, then there's really no need to actually use the vectorizer. And it all comes down to your images. If you have gradients within your image, it's going to be harder to vectorize, but if you create your images with flat colors, then it's going to be a lot easier. So if we come back over to here with this prompt at the end, I've put flat colors, and as you can see, there's no gradients. Now from here, I simply click on download. Now the dimensions for this is very simple as well. It's just a standard 12 by 12. Then if I want to download this, I simply click on remove background and click on PNG. Then I take this over to big JPEG, put that in there, click on start, click 4x, and I click OK. Now big JPEG is actually my favorite upscaler to use, and it's incredibly cheap. Now I did actually make a video about big JPEG, and what I'll do is link that down in the description. But then once this is done, we simply click download. Then I like to come over to Canva because this is where I store all of my graphics, because with the Canva Pro you actually get 1 terabyte of storage and you can create lots of different folders. Now this folder just simply says YouTube, but you can name this My Stickers. Then all I do is take my sticker, which has been upscaled, put that into the folder. I also then put it onto the page like so. Then I just add the outline as well, just so I know what it looks like. So I go here, go to glow, click on there again, then I go to white, turn this blur down, turn the transparency up and the size as well, and then I click apply. So now I build out all of my stickers here so I can see what I've got at a quick glance, and all of my stickers are in folders here in Canva, because then if I need the sticker for something else, I can simply click on the 3 dots, click download, click leave, and now I have that sticker. So that's how I personally format my stickers here using Kittl. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.